This is leftover Bubuleta. This is a virgin coconut oil that has been produced and sold to the tourists on the 6th of October. The tour was taken by Millennium Paradise Experience, where we got clients from all over the world to see different products produced by our locals, and especially this research center in Bubuleta, where the tourists have the opportunity to see the entire process of how coconut has been processed from the raw material into a finished product, and the different kinds of virgin coconut oil products that we can extract from the coconut itself and its oil. And that is a big win for this center, and especially for Kenyans, as we can see. This is how the coconut has been processed and crushed into fine oil. Yes, the research guys are doing this. That is natural. And it's a very interesting process by which the coconut is